And number 5, have fun. Sit there and think about what it is you're currently doing. It is for work. Great, make it so that you have to pay bills. But I want you to sit there and think if you're fitting into America's or the Western run social media that blames China for their independence and calls Pajit, N-word, P-word, C-word, S-word, or if you're enjoying your life. This obviously requires money, but it'd be great if you can bring out your excellency to really be happy when you have enough people surmounting to your creations and excellency. Now, if you like this video about excellency and you want to see more, hit that like and subscribe. I made a short talk in the beginning about what excellency is, and then I produced 5 sort of things that we can deal with anti-competitive competition to have this excellency in our favor. I want you to truly understand the silver lining to anti-competitive competition, and with it you can really become an important figure within your connections. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.